Hi, welcome back guys. Today in this video we are going to discuss about how to fix CapCut template not showing in TikTok. So the very first thing, you have to update the TikTok mobile application. Then you have to just go into the TikTok mobile application here, and on the search bar we will search. Okay, now we will search here. Just click on the top right side corner, you will get the search icon. Click on the dot and here we will search here CapCut and hit the enter, right? And it will load for very few seconds. So basically these are the videos which I have made by using the CapCut template. So if you just open any of the video, and here there is an option of CapCut, so click on that, and here you will get this option that use CapCut, right? So you have to just click on open CapCut, and here you have to make sure that CapCut is available in your phone. And after doing it, you will be redirected into the CapCut and you will able to use this effect, right, this template. So this is easy guys. If you found this video really helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe our channel, and see you guys in the next video.